Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. Let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one, but let's see how easy it actually is. So, first of all, I'll do this to give the background color. Background would be this color. It's pasted. Now I'll use body, and the body would be of width 150. I'll use body to create that arrow, and later on I'll use that div to create that line in between. So most probably height is 200, and the background is going to be this color given here. I think the sizes are quite much accurate, but let's see. So position would be fixed. Top would be around 100. No, 100 is too much. 50. Wait, let me switch on the difference for once. Not even 50. Let's do 20. 30. Yeah, quite much. And left value, again I'll begin with 100. A little bit difference. 105. 4, 3, 2. 3. Let's instead do margin 0. Yeah, now we can at least do this 40, and this could be 110. Yep, and let's increase the width, so maybe 70, 80, 180, and we have to increase the length also 250, 60. Yeah, now I would be using polygon. So clip, path, polygon, and I will use, first of all, it would be 0 and 50%, comma. Now I'll just take a rough guess of around, wait, it wouldn't be 0 and 50%. Let's see. Now it would be maybe 70% and 0, and then 70% and 100%. No. So first of all, this would be going to, why isn't this 50 correct? Okay, 50% and 0 as I previously thought. We are almost at the correct location. Yeah, 69 is correct, and then obviously this would be almost same, 100% and so now we only have to create that, this, what do we call it? I can't remember the word. So you can see we have this triangle like figure. All we have to now do is create that. So I know 20%, and where is it going? Wait, 100. We have to check that which side it has to go, so it would be more than 20, so 30, 40 is correct, so we can simply give 40% and 69%. 40 isn't accurately correct, but quite much. 1, 2, 3. No, we have to decrease it, so 39. Yeah, 39 is quite okay. I by mistake wrote 90. Yeah, so the next one would be around maybe 50% and 100%. No, 50 isn't the answer. 60. 1. And then comes 61%, and the second one would be, I think it would be around, yeah, 69%. So the arrow is quite much correct. Let's once check it like this. Yeah, the only visible difference is that line, which we would work on now. Okay, so also let's do border none. Wait, it didn't make any difference, so we can leave it like that. Now we also have to give it some position, so I'll do this body and also div and write position absolute, so I mean fixed. Alright, so we can remove it from here now, and I would first like to give it the location data, which are the coordinates, so that we can change the values accordingly. So top would be 100, I don't know, 120, 130. Yeah, 130 is correct. Now next is left, and I think we should keep the left at 0 itself, so I'll just increase the value here, and I think it would be around 30, 40. Yeah, 40 is correct. So I would once check that is it correct by submitting it, and later on make the further changes if required. I think this could be a problem, the way there are a little bit visible lines. Yeah, they are a problem. So we can resolve them by either doing this. No, 68 is incorrect. 70. No, 70 is incorrect. 0.5. I don't know why I can't resolve it. It's a problem with the percentages only. That is, like, I am sure that it is the problem with percentage, but why? Yeah, better. So if I change, wait, it's the coordinate for here, right? So maybe 68.5. I don't know what's the problem with the percentages. Like you can see, if that's the problem, then I don't know how to solve it. Most probably that is the problem. Like when we go Yeah, it is a visible line there. Yeah, increase the brightness, and now I can see how much difference there is actually. I think I should always increase the brightness whenever I'm working with this. So, I don't know, will this work? 8, 7, 8, and I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is quite much correct. It would require such corrections, which could be time consuming, but I'll still 61.1. Yeah. Okay, so now we are a little bit closer to what we want. Like just a little bit. 9 is even better. Okay. Like the current score is 597.53. Let's once check that does it increase by a little bit. Nah, it instead decreased. But still we'll at least try once, because that's the best thing we can do right now. 68.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 69.1, 2, 3. 2 seemed quite correct. So yeah, a little bit closer is all I would say. 0.2, 0.2. Let's submit it once now. Well, as we can see, it is now more refined. Thank God, now we are at 100% accuracy. Now let's try one thing, which is let's remove this and put A instead, and let's see if it works this way. Then it would decrease it quite much, like the character count. Yeah, it worked. Great. Now we can decrease the character count even faster. We don't even need this. And I didn't even put a semicolon at the end. Like, don't practice this when you are working on any other editor. Like, these things are only acceptable when working with CSSBattle, because it doesn't require semicolons to that extent. So now we are at 242, which is like 100 character difference from the previous one. It's more than 100 characters, 106 to be precise. 639.84. And if we see the global statistics, according to it, 484 are the average characters and 592.88 is the average score. Honestly, for once I lost the faith that okay, it would be 100% again, but it became one, so no worries. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.